Benzenes, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, etc. In nitration process, benzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid at 323 to 333 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to produce nitrobenzene. Mechanism. Step 1. In step 1, nitric acid accept a proton from sulfuric acid, and then in next reaction it dissociate to form nitronium ion. Sulfonation of benzene. Sulfonation of benzene is the process of heating benzene with fuming sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus SO3 to produce benzene sulfonic acid, and this reaction is reversible in nature. Next, mechanism for sulfonation. In first step, due to higher electronegativity, oxygen present in sulfuric acid pulls an electron toward itself and generating an electrophile. And in next step, uh, this electrophile attack on benzene ring and leading to the formation of benzene sulfonic acid after deprotonation process. Halogenation of benzene. The bromination or chlorination of benzene requires a Lewis acid such as ferric chloride or ferric bromide. A Lewis acid is a compound that accepts a share in a pair of electrons. First, bromination. Bromination is a reaction between benzene and bromine in the presence of Lewis acid, for example ferric bromide, to give bromobenzene. Next, mechanism for bromination. In first step, the bromine react with Lewis acid to form a complex that makes the bromine more electrophilic. Then in next step, the pi electrons of the aromatic carbon-carbon bond act as a nucleophile attacking the electrophile bromine and displacing iron tetrabromide. This step destroys the aromaticity, giving the cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate. Then removal of the proton from the carbon bearing the bromo group refers the carbon-carbon double bond and the aromatic system. That regenerating HBr and regenerating the active catalyst. Chlorination. In this process, benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of aluminum chloride or ferric chloride to prepare chlorobenzene. Next, mechanism for chlorination. In first step, chlorine, which acts as a Lewis base, reacts with ferric chloride, which acts as a Lewis acid, to form a complex which makes the chlorine more electrophilic. Then this complex dissociates to form chlorinium ion. In next step, chlorinium ion attack on the ring to form a resonance stabilized carbocation intermediate. Then next step, proton transfer from the intermediate to to prepare the chlorobenzene. Iodination. For iodination, iodine is simply oxidized with nitric acid, that is HNO3, to liberate iodide, which is then used as the electrophile. Iodine requires an oxidizing agents like nitric acid to produce iodide cation. Then this iodide cation attack on benzene to form iodobenzene. Next, mechanism for iodination. The electrophile attack on benzene to form a resonance stabilized carbocation. Then in next step, deprotonation takes place to form iodobenzene.